Yes, we are back again. And you guys already know what I'm doing. So I haven't been working on it for the past week and a half or something like that. I was waiting for some parts, especially this right here, the map sensor harness. So from the LS1 to the LS3 map sensor, that should take a couple days to get here. I do have the fuel thing figured out already. I'm just getting that what's it called? I'm gonna try to take out as much old fuel off the tank as I can, because it smells really bad. It's been there for like 2 years, so we need to take that out in order for me to put the new fuel in the truck and finish bolting everything up. I got the rest of the stuff to bolt up, and we're going here. Hopefully we hear it start today. I'm hoping we could start it today. I just want to hear how it sounds. And yeah, I'm trying to finish this truck ASAP, because I want to get started on the body, get some rims, the hood. Hopefully I can get another hood from Street Concept. I'll show you guys a little bit here and there. We can get it started and it doesn't rain, because I feel like little water falling on me. Maybe I can see it there. So man, I'm excited. I can't wait. I want to hear this truck start. So I just put this bucket on here. I just want to see if the fuel's gonna come out. I did put the computer on already. This is not, not really put on there yet. I got it tied down to the firewall, and then hopefully the fuel comes out. Let's see. Yep. Sheesh. Yeah, this fuel's gonna have to definitely come out. That thing is dirty. So as y'all can see, y'all see how dirty it is? Sheesh. So I'm trying to figure out where to mount this at. Probably gonna end up mounting it somewhere right here, because that fuel rail is gonna be right here. So maybe right there. Hopefully it doesn't. Hopefully the intake doesn't. Shit. Hopefully the intake doesn't hit. Now I'm gonna have to move it from there. So grab the intake and see where it's at. If it hits, we're gonna have to move it. All right, guys. So here we go. We're gonna try to start it the first time. Let's hope everything goes well. I'm still missing a couple parts here and there, but we'll take care of that later. I just want to hear the motor. I want to make sure, you know, it's good and it's gonna start. I tried to start it from the inside, from the ignition, and it's not starting. So I bought this truck, like I said, like a shell. So I'm not sure what's wrong with it. I will check that later, maybe just a fuse or something. So we're gonna start it from up here from the front. So let's do it. Let's go. Y'all gonna see that first start, man. I can't wait. I can't wait. Let's do it. Let's do it. Use this one for now, and then I'm gonna do the electric fans soon. So yeah, man. I just want to show you guys. I still need to fix this right here. Fix that. And a couple more little things, but we're gonna hear that first start, see how it is. All right, y'all ready? This is what the fuck I'm talking about, man. This makes you feel so good once you hear a truck start for the first time. This shit was dead. Dead. I'm so fucking happy, man. Y'all don't understand. This motherfucker's shaking. Shout out to my boy It's Garage, man. He gave me that little, he said, buy this cab. We're gonna try it out. Mini meal. Man, this motherfucker's shaking. Buy this cab, buy this, you know, feel me? We're gonna try it out. I say, I don't give a fuck. Whatever you tell me I'm gonna buy. This bitch shaking, y'all. Look at that oil pressure though. Man, y'all, I'm so sorry. I'm just so happy. If you build cars or do any of this, you're gonna feel me 100%. When something comes in dead, no motor, no trans, nothing, and you build it from the ground up, it's just an amazing feeling. So I appreciate every single one of you who takes your time to watch my videos on my Instagram. If you repost, if you like my posts, my videos, my pictures, if you send it to somebody, if you share it, whatever it is, I just want to say thank you, because that's why I keep going. That's why I keep doing this. I always get a lot of people writing me on Instagram saying that, you know, they like everything I do, and I give them inspiration to build their own trucks. So that makes me feel pretty good, and that's why I keep going. That's why I keep doing this. Like I said, I just buy buckets like shit that doesn't look like it's gonna run, and this is where we at now. Still a bucket, of course, but it's gonna get a remake, the whole thing. So I'm excited. To keep working on it. So we're just gonna finish, you know, I'm gonna finish tying everything up on the motor, on the engine bay, all that, make sure it's 100%, and then hopefully next video, like I said, we can take it for a ride. Y'all gonna see me driving it. I can't wait, because I'm gonna put this one to rest for a little bit, because I've been beating the shit out this truck. I've been whooping it so bad. So we're gonna put this one to rest for a little bit, so I can see. Poor truck. I already done put it through hell. I'm gonna get it rewrapped, well, some parts, because I already fucked them up. Like right here, it's messed up. Right there, already bubbles coming up. Right there, burnt. So I'm just gonna try to put this one down for a little bit, and I'm gonna start driving the other one soon. Soon. Bow! I wish the other one had that shit. Yes, sir. Hopefully, Street Concepts can work with me on the hood for the other one, for that blue one. See? Y'all see this right here? See this right here? I don't know how long the wrap's supposed to last, but this one already fucked up hella places, like right here. But this because of paint. So we're gonna get if anything, I'm gonna get the whole truck rewrapped. Maybe in a couple months, we'll see. Maybe get the sunroof on this. So that's it for today, guys. I just want to say thank you, and my number one thing was to get this truck started, to see how it was gonna sound. We got that done. So hopefully for the next video, I'm already looking for the rims, looking to get a wrap. I do need to order like a hood and the front headlights, the grill, all that. But it's gonna be little by little. So I appreciate you guys for hanging on and watching the videos, and see y'all next time. Thank you.